Camping fixed blade knives are essential tools for any outdoor enthusiast. There are many products available to choose camping fixed blade knives, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camping fixed blade knives from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. SOG Survival Knife. The SOG Survival Knife is the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. With a 4-inch stainless steel blade, full-tang clip point design, and a grippy, thermoplastic rubber handle, this knife is great for camping, hunting, combat, and more. The notched GRN sheath makes it easy to carry and use, while the excellent edge retention and rust resistance ensure a long-lasting blade. SOG also offers repair and replacement requests for the life of the knife. Number 2. Mornev Companion Fixed Blade Outdoor Knife. The Mornev Companion Fixed Blade Outdoor Knife is an ideal camping knife, backpacking knife, fishing knife, hiking knife, or survival knife. It features a 0.08-inch thick hardened Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel blade that stays sharp longer than carbon steel and is less prone to rust. The ergonomic polymer handle with a soft friction grip and finger guard ensures safe and efficient use in all weather conditions. It comes with an easy-to-clean plastic sheath with a belt clip for easy attachment to a belt or rucksack. Number 3. Wscandy Full-Tang Survival Knife. The Odenwolf Tactical Survival Knife is crafted from tough D2 steel, ensuring it withstands demanding outdoor conditions. Its full-tang design enhances durability, making it a reliable tool for camping, hiking, or hunting. The included tactical sheath not only secures the knife, but also allows for easy attachment to your belt, keeping it within reach when you need it. With a razor-sharp blade, this knife is perfect for a variety of outdoor tasks, allowing you to tackle challenges efficiently. Trust in the German quality standard that Odenwolf delivers for your outdoor adventures. Number 4. BPS Knives Adventurer. The BPS Knives Adventurer is a full-tang bushcraft knife made of high-quality 1066 carbon steel, hardened to 56 to 57 HRC, and holds an edge well. The handle is made of walnut wood, coated with Danish oil, making it resistant to moisture and dirt. It comes with a leather sheath and ferro rod, making it easy to carry on a belt or in a backpack. It is perfect for bushcrafting, outdoor, camping, and fishing, and makes a great gift for true connoisseurs of knives. Number 5. SOG Small Fixed Blade Knife. The SOG Instinct is a small fixed blade knife perfect for everyday carry. The knife is lightweight, weighing only 2.3 ounces and can be worn as a necklace, belt, or boot knife. Its full-tang, satin-polished 5CR15 MOV stainless steel blade and textured G10 handle with finger grooves and jimping provide maximum control and durability. Additionally, the knife comes with a swivel sheath clip for quick access in emergencies. SOG fixed blade knives are built to last and come with repair and replacement requests.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.